What up, fam? Today we return from our epic quest with the dragon egg. Stay tuned. As the base for this project, I'll be using this foam egg I picked up at a local craft store. I also picked up this foam-friendly black spray paint to use as a base coat. You want to do this as regular spray paint can dissolve the foam. To make painting easier, I twisted up some wire and gave it a base. Then I grabbed this block with a hole in it from an earlier project and threaded my wire through it. Now I can just stick my foam egg on top of my little makeshift stand here for painting. With that all locked in place, I evenly added my black base coat to protect the foam and to get rid of all the white. For the shell's bumpy texture, I decided to use some upholstery tacks. These have a dome shape with kind of a cool texture that really fits my reptilian theme. And the next bit is really simple. Just stick the tacks in place with an aim to cover the entire egg. Now I went more for this bumpy iguana kind of scale pattern, but if you want a more traditional pattern, just start at the bottom and let each new row overlap the last one a little bit. But I mean, it's your dragon egg, so use your imagination and have fun with it. Just be ready to use a lot of these tacks. This egg took just under 400 of them to complete. The finished result has a cool texture and is actually pretty heavy. Now I'm gonna add this color shifting paint to give the egg an iridescent quality. But first, I need to make sure everything is uniform with one more coat of black. Then I spray on this purple color shift. It's a bit hard to pick up on camera, but this stuff will transition from like a purple to a blue when you see it from different angles. Now, I want to make the spaces in between my scales look like a membrane and have it stand out a little bit. For this, I'm using this metallic teal paint. I simply add it to the egg with a brush, and then wipe off all the surface paint, leaving the color in the cracks. This does a great job making the scales pop just a little bit. For just a little more interest, I decided to add this dark red paint. To apply it though, I made sure my brush was almost completely dry. I really didn't want to add too much. By lightly dabbing it along the bottom and wiping it away, I was able to achieve this cool two-tone effect that fades from dark to light from the bottom of the egg to the top. And there you have it! One stunning dragon egg to add to your adventurer's trophy room. Just keep it away from the fire. Baby dragons are murder on furniture. No, I hope you enjoyed this project, and as always, keep leveling up, you.